Onward Headhunting is the source for elite M&A, operations, and finance executive talent exclusively for private equity funds and their high-growth portfolio companies. When top-tier leadership seems impossible to find, Onward delivers with speed and accuracy. This is retained search built to shape the future of your most important assets. Learn more on LinkedIn or visit onwardheadhunting.com to start the conversation. And let's move your most critical executive searches onward.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today's discussion is Tesla, Microsoft, and private equity. We're going to try and combine three different subjects. We try and talk a lot about here private equity, startups, AI, and a lot more. And thank you for listening. First, on the Tesla side, Tesla's U.S. market share has now dropped to an 8-year low in August as buyers are buying electric vehicles from a wide variety of rivals, not just Tesla. Tesla's down 13% year to date. It still has so many positive things going on that we won't worry very much about Elon Musk and Tesla. Second, Microsoft. Microsoft's cloud business is exploding. As Amazon slows some at AWS, Microsoft is picking up the slack. It's growing 39% year over year. Revenue growth last quarter. It's got this crazy backlog load of orders. Microsoft continues to really thrive. Third, there's a great piece in the Daily Upside today on the struggles of private equity. Basically saying that private equity firms are being left with an inability to ultimately to exit deals, a $3 trillion backlog of aging unsold stakes, the total dollar amount invested with private equity shrunk for the first time in 20 years or so, declining 2% last year to $4.7 trillion. So those are three stories that we're following. Just a great story in the Daily Upside on some of the travels and challenges of private equity. Again, we're watching all that. Against all that backdrop, the Carlyle Group, one of the largest private equity fund firms, is performing really well. They're up about 26% year to date. In any event, thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today's discussion, Tesla is struggling, Microsoft winning in the private equity business, struggling. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very, very much for joining us.